Good morning students, welcome to the class. So we have completed our chapter geography first chapter, that is resources, and now we will do the exercises. Firstly we will do question and answer. So see the question number first. Why are resources distributed unequally over the earth? And your answer is the distribution of natural resources depends upon number of physical factors like terrain, climate and altitude. Full stop. The distribution of resources is unequal because these factors differ so much over the earth. Full stop. This is your answer of your first question. Now see the second question. What is resource conservation? And your answer is using resources carefully and giving them time to get renewed is called resource conservation. Using resources carefully and giving them time to get renewed is called resource conservation. Full stop. This is your second answer. Now see the third question. Why are human resources important? Listen carefully. Question number third. Why are human resources important? And your answer is people can make the best use of nature to create more resources when they have the knowledge, skill and the technology to do so. Full stop. That is why human beings are a special resource. Full stop. People are human resources. Full stop. Education and health help in making people a valuable resources. Full stop. Improving the quality of people's skill so that they are able to create more resources is known as human resource development. Full stop. You have to write whole paragraph in the answer. Okay. Now see the last question. Question number 4. What is sustainable development? And your answer is balancing the need to use resources and also conserve them for the future is called sustainable development. Again listen carefully. Balancing the needs to use resources and also conserve them for the future is called sustainable development. Full stop. This is your answer. Now you have to do this also. Differentiate between the followings. First, potential and actual resources. And your answer is actual resources are those resources whose quantity is known. These resources are being used in the present. For example, the rich deposit of coal in Ruhr region of Germany and petroleum in the West Asia are all actual resources. You have to mention only two examples. So firstly you will write rich deposit of coal in Ruhr region of Germany and petroleum in the West Asia are all actual resources. And what are potential resources? Potential resources are those whose entire quantity may not be known and these are not being used at present. These resources could be used in the future. Full stop. This is potential resources. Your next question is ubiquitous and localized resources. And your answer is resources that are found everywhere like the air we breathe are ubiquitous. Full stop. But those which are found only in certain places are localized. For example, like copper and iron ore. This is your answer. So firstly you will write these question answer. Heading is answer the following question. You have to write all these 4 questions, and then next heading is differentiate between the followings and these 2 questions. We will do the exercise tick the correct answer tomorrow, and we will start our next chapter also in your tomorrow class.